Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to present on this presentation with the title of Improving the Usefulness of Financial Reporting of Business Units in Mosque with the Capital Maintenance Approach. So we have the team. Our team is myself, Rahmawati, and also I have with me Dr. Ice Nazaruddin, Evi Rahman Utami, and Arif Wahyu Nur Khalid. So this community service that we have done is in Bantul, specifically in the mosque that have a business units, and many of business units it's contributing for the unemployment in Indonesia. And because this business units is a form of financial supports to the mosque, and we know that to have a sustainability of the financial management of the mosque, we need a business supports in the especially in the financial to support the operational of the activities in the mosque. And we have adopted the capital maintenance concept in maintaining how the financial in the mosque from the sodakoh, from the infak sodakoh, can be then contribute to the existing operational business units in the mosque. And by this community service, we want to improve the financial management and also increasing in the accountability of the financial reports that is being held by the business units. And our community service that we have done is through trainings, and also we provide a application or software, and also we give the computer and also the system that they need to be able to provide a financial statements for the business units of this community, the community business for supporting the mosque operation. So through group discussion and also interacting with the those that are being involved in the mosque, we then make a system for them to be able to make their reporting specifically, by also related to the capital maintenance, making sure that the investment that are being put in this business can then run, maintaining the operating of the business. So here in the community service activities, we purchase an equipment computer for the business operation, and also the installation and also training to apply for the recording and reporting of the financial performance. So in conclusion, this community service actually improves how they manage the financial, and hopefully in the future can help sustaining the mosque, the activity of the mosque. Thank you very much. We want to say thank you to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for having us as a team to conduct the community service, and also we want to thank you Lembaga Pengabdian Masyarakat Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta to support these activities. UMY ada, masyarakat berdaya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.